Hello and welcome to this video on types of proxy. A proxy server is an intermediary server between your computer and the internet. It is used to hide your IP address, protect your online identity, and access websites that may be blocked in your region. In this video, we will discuss the different types of proxy servers and their features. Web proxy. A web proxy is a type of proxy server that only works for web traffic. It is often used to bypass content filters or access blocked websites. Web proxies are easy to use and can be accessed directly from your web browser. However, they only work for HTTP and HTTPS traffic, so they are not suitable for other types of traffic like email or instant messaging. Transparent proxy. A transparent proxy is a type of proxy server that does not require any configuration on the client side. It is often used by businesses to monitor and filter internet traffic. A transparent proxy is called transparent because it does not hide your IP address or modify your network traffic. It only intercepts your traffic and forwards it to the destination server. Anonymous proxy. An anonymous proxy is a type of proxy server that hides your IP address and encrypts your internet traffic. It is often used for online privacy and security. An anonymous proxy can be configured to encrypt all internet traffic, not just web traffic. This makes it a suitable choice for sensitive activities like online banking or accessing confidential information. High anonymity proxy. A high anonymity proxy is a type of anonymous proxy that hides your IP address and all other identifying information. It is often used for online anonymity and privacy. The high anonymity proxy can be configured to use different IP addresses and encrypt all internet traffic. This makes it difficult for anyone to track your online activities. SOX proxy. A SOX proxy is a type of proxy server that can handle any type of traffic, not just web traffic. It can be used for email, instant messaging, file transfer, and other types of traffic. A SOX proxy does not modify your traffic or encrypt it. It only forwards your traffic to the destination server. Residential proxy. A residential proxy is a type of proxy server that uses IP addresses assigned by Internet Service Providers, ISPs, to homeowners. It is often used for web scraping, online advertising, and other activities that require a large number of IP addresses. Residential proxies are more reliable than other types of proxies because they are less likely to be detected and blocked by websites. Conclusion. In this video, we discussed the different types of proxy servers and their features. Each type of proxy server has its own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right type of proxy server depends on your needs and preferences. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Thank you for watching.